In the metals quadrant today, taking a look at the September copper futures, which was up over 1%, actually almost up 2% on the highs today. 4 spot 37.25 was the high. That was up about 1.93%. We finished the day up almost 1.33% at 4 spot 34.70, about 1.33% on those settlements today. On the downside, 4 spot 28.40, that was down 13 basis points today. Copper posted the strongest day it's had since July 26th, but we're still only the third up session in the last 11 for the industrial metal. The weekly trends look a little bit better for copper as we've been up 4 of the last 7 weeks. And today's trade actually took copper positive for this week with 3 days left in the trading week. So we'll see how that ends up. Right now, we're looking at the Senate having passed a $1 trillion infrastructure bill, and that went a long way to solidifying the rally today. The plan that was passed is likely driving the industrial commodities higher. The legislation includes $550 billion in new funding for transportation, and utilities and broadband is also included in there. And this is a good piece of news for those who believe in a new commodity super cycle, as that money is going to be spent in industrial metals and hard commodities as part of that infrastructure, transportation, broadband, utility section of the infrastructure deal. So that's a good thing for hard commodities overall. The dollar was higher today, and copper makes this move despite the dollar rising. Now, for a third straight session, we're seeing rates go up, forcing that dollar higher. If you look at the 10-year, as a matter of fact, which got up about 134 today on the yield side, about a week ago it was about 113. So that's a pretty big move in light of inflation expectations continuing to rise for the consumer. At least that's from the report on the New York Fed. So the dollar is rising, but that didn't stop copper from being up about 1.33% on the day.